Are you talking? Oh, you got
Sounds
the
like somebody had too much to drink.
hiccups? Hitting that milk a little too hard, huh, kid? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's still trying to talk, huh? Still trying to talk.